right on the catch, and this is going to put you in a nice, strong squat position. Now that we've established our A-frame and our catch, we go into body position with the legs and the hips. Now, one of the most important things to watch out for is when we reach forward, we will naturally reach with the same side hip. And what happens is this creates instability because you're making a line between your paddle and both of your feet. When this happens, you naturally become very unstable. So what we want to do is counter that. Instead of turning our hips the same direction as our shoulders, we're going to drop our hips back and to the other side. When this happens, you'll have the paddle and each of your feet lined up in a triangle. One tip that can help you with your body position, it's a little uncomfortable to have your feet parallel and to drop your hips to the opposite side, will be to take the same side you're paddling on and drop that foot back just a little bit. This is going to make it easier to drop your hips to the opposite side of what you're paddling. So when you take a stroke, you'll be able to start from here and your hips will drop as you lean forward. And what this does is it creates a nice natural balance of you don't feel like you're falling over when you commit to the catch. Your hips and your timing are countering so that you still feel centered, and then once that paddle locks in and gets nice and solid, you'll be able to take your stroke and stand back up. Once we've figured out how to set our blade, we then go on to how do we commit our body weight to the paddle. We're going to allow our body weight to do most of the work for us, and the act of holding ourselves up is going to propel us forward.
Once we have achieved the proper body position, the goal is to set all of our body weight onto the catch. When the paddle goes into the water, it locks into place, and we've positioned ourselves to be as strong and as powerful as possible. The goal is